Welcome to Lake Images tutorial on AutoChart Live. AutoChart Live allows you to create contour maps real time while you're on the water. You can change from looking at the contours to the bottom hardness or look at the vegetation layer. You can store this information in the unit's internal memory or external on an SD card. AutoChart Live is very easy to use. There's a drop-down menu that shows you all the features and functions. We'll go through each one of these menu items, explain them in detail, and show you some examples. To make the best contour maps, there's some best practices that need to be followed. We'll show you what those are and show you some examples. We'll cover one area of confusion, and that's which SD cards can you use with AutoChart Live. Finally, we'll show you how to interface AutoChart Live with your AutoChart software that you can get from Humminbird. There are lots of neat things that you can do with it on your PC and then bring those back into your Humminbird unit.